learn how to compare 4-digit numbers. Okay, I will teach you how to compare the numbers. To compare the 2 or more 4-digit numbers, first we have to look at the thousands place, then the hundreds place, then the tens place, and lastly the ones place. Okay children, did you understand? Now we are going to see an example. Shall we start? Yes. Now look at the numbers. This is 3672 and this is 3843. On the flash, we begin to compare with the thousands place. That is 3 and 3. Both are same. Now we begin to compare the digits in hundreds place. The number is 6 and 8. So 6 is smaller than 8. So the number 3672 is less than 3843. It is smaller, right? Now you all know the open side of the symbol always points towards the greater number and the closer side of the symbol always points the smaller number. Yes children, did you understand? You have seen the crocodile mouths, right? Now let us try one more example. Okay, here the number is 2318 and comparing with 2314. Now first the thousands place, both the twos are same. Next in the hundreds place, both the 3 are same. And the tens place we have 1 and both are same. And in the ones place we have 8 and 4. So we say 8 is greater than 4. So the number 2318 is greater than 2314. Yes children, now did you understand? And it is clear, right? So it is an easy one, but you should do it carefully. Okay. Now based on the comparison of numbers, we are going to learn ascending and descending order. You all know what is ascending order, right? Increasing order is also called ascending order and decreasing order is called descending order. Now we are going to see how it works. Ascending order. See the picture, if you can see that it is going from small to big. It is in the increasing order. When you see the numbers, see they are bigger than each other. Okay, 213, the next number is 230. The next higher number is 245. The next higher number is 277. The next number is 291. So they are in the increasing order. So when you are writing numbers in ascending order, you are going to write from the small number to the big number. Okay children? And now descending order. Descending order or decreasing order. Here see the numbers are in descending order from big to small. So here in this series of numbers, you can see the big number on the top, 291. So 291 is bigger than 277. 277 is bigger than 245. 245 is bigger than 230. 230 is bigger than 230. So they are coming in the decreasing order. This is the way how you write the descending order. You have to arrange the numbers in descending order like this. Okay children, based on the concepts we learned, we are going to do the exercise. Okay children, comparing numbers. Fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal to symbols, signs. So the example is given 834 and 1590. When we compare these two numbers, 834 is smaller, right? So like that, the B1, 999 and 1000. So 999 is smaller than 1000, right? So you are going to do this like this. We have to compare these numbers and you are going to put it in your notebook. Okay children? Now here you have the circle the greatest number. There are 4 numbers given here. So among these 4 numbers, you are going to find out which is the greatest number. As we have seen in comparing numbers, we have to compare. This is a 3-digit number and the last one is a 3-digit number. So they don't come to the greatest number. So 4-digit numbers. Among these two 4-digit numbers, first one 1 and in the second number it is 9. So obviously 9 is greatest number. So 9990 is the greatest number. Okay children, the same way you have to circle the smallest number. There are 4 numbers given and among these 4 numbers you have to find out which is the smallest. Now see, 4-digit numbers will not come into this group. So among 296 and 100, which is the smallest one? The first one number is 1. So 1 is less than 2, right? So you are going to circle this. Okay children? The same way, arrange the numbers in ascending order. We have seen in the concept, right? So now we are going to do the exercise. See, 3747, 1674, 9542. So ascending order means increasing order. So first you have to write the smallest number, right? So which is the smallest number? 1674. Now in the box you are going to write 1674. Then which is the next number? You are going to write 3747 and the last one is 9542. This is the way you are going to do. Now descending order. Okay children, you are going to do descending means decreasing order. Decreasing means bigger to smaller. Which is the bigger one? 5365. Next biggest number 4782 and next 2143. Okay children, this is the way how you are going to do. And the next one is forming greatest and smallest numbers. There are 4 digits given. From that you are going to form 4-digit numbers, greatest and smallest numbers. Here in exercise 5, there are 4 numbers given and from this you are going to form the greatest number and the smallest number. Which is the biggest number here? 7. Then next comes 4, then 3, then 1. If you write this in the reverse order, it will become the smallest number. From first smallest, you have to write from the small number to the biggest. 1, 3, 4, 7. So this is the smallest number. For the other remaining things, you do it in your book. Okay children, this is for today's exercise. Okay, so take a notebook and do the exercise 4 and 5. Maintain that notebook with daily date. Okay children, thank you. So today what we have learned children, how to compare 4-digit numbers, how to write in ascending and descending order, and identifying the smallest and the greatest numbers. I hope you all have understood, and based on this you are going to complete the exercise number 4. Okay children, thank you.